Alright guys, we're back at Rocky Glen. They got a little fire started. That's nice. It is pretty chilly today. It's like 40 degrees. Today we're going to be focusing on trying to progress at the track here. They got two tracks at Rocky. I've only showed you guys the intermediate track, which is this one right here, but they also do have an advanced track that we've never been on before that we'll try to go on today. Got Alex with me as always. But yeah, we're going to warm up a bit on this smaller track. This is more of like a supercross track. Oh, those little whoops are messing me up, man. It's gonna be nice when we start going to like actual motocross tracks. Probably feel pretty good. This track's so weird. You have to like go on the outside line because everything's just like flat turns. Alright, like I was saying earlier, they got two tracks here. One that you guys have not seen on the channel before. This is their advanced track. And we're definitely not advanced riders, so we'll see how this goes. It's pretty cool though. It's like a little island track. See, there's water surrounding the whole thing. I gotta get better at the lean. They got the little boat and everything down here. This is sweet. In the summer you could probably actually go out there, take a little dip, cool off.
You did pretty solid.
It's okay.
Right?
Yeah. Just trying to build confidence. That's what I can't, like, that doesn't click with me. I saw that. Can you actually go down there?
You have to check that out. You got a bulldozer down there.
That would be sick. Some beach hill climbs?
Some what?
Some beach hill climbs?
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounded harsh. I wish that jump popped you more. All right, that's enough of that track. I'm so tired. We definitely made some progression though, I think. I don't know why I can't commit to that last jump. I suck. This is what I need. Warm my hands up a bit.
Yeah, that feels pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah. Last part of the day, guys. Gotta fill the truck up. Yes, sir.